Upon learning what is a page break and what is the purpose as well as the benefits of using the page break, we're now going to discuss what is the automatic table of contents as well as the benefits, what is the several reasons why we need one, and as well as the steps on how to create one. So let's begin. So we have here some few questions. Like, have you guys students or have you students ordered from a restaurant without having a menu, or gone to a place without knowing the place, or finding a specific lesson from a book that has no reviewer of the whole book? So these questions, we're going to answer this um to our discussion. So what is like the relations within this topic. So what is it? What is the automatic table of contents? So this is the feature in many processors, documentation tools, and content platforms that automatically generates a structured list of headings and subheadings from your document. So this is the purpose of automatic table of contents. So it listed what are the key points as well as the titles of each lessons that are related to your document. So instead of manually creating a table of contents, the software scans your text for heading styles. Once you've highlighted specific words or the specific titles from that document, it automatically that adding it to the table of contents. So this feature is valuable for several reasons, including first is easy navigation because um, it it serves like a list for these readers to navigate the overall topic for that document. Next is time saving because you don't need to actually create a manual table of contents because it automatically adjusted the topics within that document. Next is professional formatting because it creates a polished, organized look because um it it's so immaculate as well as the it's so aligned to each other, even the page number. So next is the error reduction because it eliminates mistakes like for example is in the auto, automatic table of contents versus manual table of contents because it eliminates the um the mismatch page numbers as well as mismatched titles. Last is improved comprehension because it gives the readers a clear overview of the document structure and making it easier to the readers to digest. So, after learning what are the several reasons why we need a automatic table of contents, we're now going to learn how to create a automatic table of contents. So the first one is you need first to open your document because you need to first open your document where you want to add your table of contents. Next is you need to apply heading styles to the document. So on the ribbon, you need to select the home tab or here and select a heading styles such as the heading 1, heading 2, etc. So if you skip this on specific part or specific steps, um, there and you already added like table of contents, there is no list that will show up because it doesn't have any um like it doesn't have like a specific recognition to the the documents itself that like applying heading 1 for the main titles, heading 2 for the subtitles, and heading 3 for the subsections under subtitles. Next is place your table of contents. This is where we put the cursor to where we want to put our table of contents to show up. Next is go to the reference tab. So clicking the reference tab at the top of the screen. This is located in the middle of layout tab and the mailings tab. under the ribbons. So next is click the table of contents. This is located in the upper left of our references tab where we can find table of contents. After clicking it a list of choices will be shown to the screens, and you can choose whether you want styles or what styles do you want it to be. After clicking your chosen like designs, it will update automatically, or your table of contents will show or appear to your documents. Now, after learning what are the steps of table of contents, we're now going to apply it to a specific document. So this document um, is an example of yeah this is an example of a document that has no table of contents. So now we're going to apply the steps in creating a table of contents. So the first one is, since we opened the document, we're now going to skip the first document, which is the second step, applying the head styles. Now I'm going to show you what will happen if um we didn't apply the styles in our um in our document. So creating a table of contents without styles will show that there are no table of contents entries found, because it doesn't have recognition to the what it is supposed to be on the table of contents. So let's revise or um, repeat the second step, which is applying styles. So we're now going to apply the styles in our specific topic or um, specific words. Yeah. This is just an example of what is supposed to do to your specific topic for you to create a automatic table of contents. Let's just say that this is let's just say that those are the only thing that we needed to add. Now, after applying a styles, we need to put now the table of contents. So going to the reference, clicking the table of contents, and choosing what we want table of contents. So for this case, we're choosing um the first choice, which is the automatic table one. So after clicking the automatic table one, um your table of contents will show to the document. So that's it. We have created the automatic table of contents, as well as demonstrating what are the or explaining what is the benefits of table of contents. So I hope you guys have learned something, and I hope that you apply this future to your future jobs and future education. So thank you for listening.